Welcome back to Craps University. Today we're going to focus on hardways and only hardways. So we will play a pass line, and when a point is set, we won't put odds, but we'll start waiting for some hardways to hit. So we will play and we'll start with $10 on the 6, 10 on the 8, and 5 on the 4 and 5 on the 10. This table pays a little bit different than a casino. This pays true odds. Casino, of course, wants to take their cut, but we'll play with what it says on the table. Usually casinos on the 6 and the 8 is 9-1, and on the 10 and 4 it's 7-1. So you can see that they're taking their cut for sure. Once we get some hits, let's say $10 hit here, we'll parlay that all on the one that hits, and we'll wait for a second hit to start collecting. Once after your second collect on that third hit, we will start piling up the odds behind the number. All right, sounds good. All right, let's get this done. Grab some dice. All right, and we're coming out. And 5. 5's the point. So our hardway layout is going to be $10, $20, it's going to be $30, okay? All right, we're looking for a hardway. And 8. All right, that hurts. We lose that 8 hardway. Let's replenish it. And 6. 6 came easy. We replenished that on the 6. And 3 craps. And 4. 4 came easy. And 4 came easy again. And 4. 4 came hard this time. All right. So this is going to pay $40. It's an all-day hardway, so we've got 45 out there. We parlay, we hope for that 4 hard again. And 5. That's the point. And pick that up, go off. Our hardways are not working. And 6. 6 is the point. Looking for a hard 4. 12, midnight. $8. $6, the point. We lose our hardway. We get paid 1-1. We put our hardway back and we rack that 15. Coming out, that's a hard 8, but our hardways were off on the come out. 8's the point. And 5. Looking for another hard 8. 11 yo. 7 out. All right, I'm gonna swap some money here. Put our pass line back out. All right, we're looking for a 10. Drop our hardways. And we're looking for a hard 10. 5. Midnight. And 6. We lose that hard 6. Let's replace it. 7 out. All right, nothing really to see here. I'm kind of disappointed. I like playing hardways, but since we had no box numbers, didn't make a lot of sense. We had a good roll that one roll, but we're not really rolling the hardways. Pretty easy countdown. 275. 300. 340. So we're down 260 just from playing those damn hardways. So the expected value or the EV of hardways is not that good. I play them because they're fun to play and they got a good payout, but they have about a 10%, anywhere between 9 and 11% house edge. So they're a high house edge bet. That's why they pay good. Yeah, kind of disappointed. I had the high hopes for this episode, but hardways are definitely not for everybody, and you want to mix it in combination with other bets, preferably inside bets I like playing. And then if an even number hits that has a hardway, then I really stack up on there. Where like 10, I'd probably put $50 out there, but I know I'd get it. If that 10 hit, I'd make money on the odds. So you factor in that loss. So that I start off at 5 on each of them, and when I press up all of them the same amount. So yeah, pretty interesting. It's very simple and easy to manage. It's fast, bankable wins when you hit those numbers. And then when you start hitting the numbers, you can start adding odds. Cons, dry stretches. We only hit one hardway out of all those rolls. We had a come out roll that was a hard 8, but our hardways were off. And then losing the parlayed unit, like we had 45 on the 4, but we hit a hard 4. That was the third 4 in a row. The law of averages say we won't see a 4 for quite some time. Interesting. There's limited upside if you refuse to scale beyond just base after you're locking in your bets. And then patience. You have to have patience when playing like this. All right. I want everybody to comment. Are you a hardway player or not? Do you play hardways? I always play hardways, but I'm playing other stuff, so it's not as impactful. I want to see it down in the comments. If you like what you're watching, go ahead and subscribe. All right. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the felt.